All right, number 4, match the equation to the correct graph. And we've been given the equation y equals 2 times quantity x plus 1 squared minus 3. And we know that this is going to be the graph of a parabola, right? This is a quadratic equation, so we know a parabola. And this is in vertex form, right? And we know that. We talked about that in previous questions. So vertex form is what the equation was given to us in. And vertex form is y equals a times quantity x minus h squared plus k. And based on the equation we've been given, because the a coefficient, right, this 2, which corresponds to a, is positive, so we know that our parabola is going to be opening up. If this was a negative 2, then our parabola would be opening down. But because this is a positive 2, our parabola will be opening up, which means right away we can eliminate graphs C and D, right? Both graphs C and D open down. But based on the equation we were given, that's not what's going to be happening with our graph. So we can go ahead and eliminate C and D right off the bat. Now we have A and B. So let's see, based on the equation, what is our vertex? Well, again, our vertex in vertex form is given by the point h, comma, k. So if we look at the equation that we've been given, we can see that our vertex is going to be -1. Remember, you take the opposite of what's shown for the x coordinate, the x value, and then the y value will be -3. So our vertex for this parabola that opens up will be at the point -1, comma, -3. So let's see. Well, this vertex looks to be at -1, +3. So that doesn't look like what we're looking for. But here, graph B looks like -1 and, yep, -3. So we can go ahead and say graph B is our graph. And again, we did that by first eliminating graphs C and D. Graphs C and D open down. But again, our coefficient, our A coefficient here is positive, so we know that the graph we're looking for opens up. And then once we had graphs A and B left, we went ahead, found the vertex of our parabola, which was -1, -3, and that helped us to eliminate graph A, leaving only graph B.